Good morning, students. Today we do the remaining question of exercise 5.3, that's AP. In question number 3rd, the first part is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. We are required to find N and Sn. So the formula of An is A plus N minus 1 into D. An is 50, A is 5, N minus 1, D is 3. So this is 50 minus 5, N minus 1 into 3. This is 45 upon 3 is N minus 1. So N is 15 plus 1, 16. So Sn is N upon 2, A plus An, and N is 16. So it's 16 upon 2, A is 5, An is 50. This cancel out. 8 into 55. This is 440. So Sn is 440. In the second part, A is equal to 7. A 13 equals to 35. In this we are required to find B and S13. B and S13. So in this A13 is A plus 12B. So A13 is 35. A is 7. This is 28 equals to 12B. So D is 28 by 12. 7, 4, 7, 3. So D is 7 upon 3. And S13 is N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is 13 upon 2, 2 7 the 14, 12 into 7 upon 3. This cancel out. So this is 13 by 2, 28 plus this is 28 plus 14, 42. So this is cancel out. 13 1 the 13, 273 is the sum of 13 terms. In third part, A12 is 37, B is 3. We are required to find A and S12. In this, A12 is A plus 11B. So this is 37. A plus 11, B is 3. 37 minus 33 equals to 8. So 4 is equal to 8. And S12 is N upon 2 into 2A. A is 4. N minus 1, 12 minus 1. B is 3. So this is 6. 8 plus 11 into 3. 6. 8 plus 33. 6 into 41. 246. So 246 is the sum of this AP. In fourth question, A3 is 15, S10 is 125. We are required to find A and A10. So A3 is A plus 2D. A3 is 15, A plus 2D. This is question number 1. S10 is N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S10 is 125. This is upon 5. 2A plus 9B. This cancel out. So the second question is 25 equals to 2A plus 9B. In these two questions, when we eliminate A, multiply this equation by 2. So this is 30 2a plus 4d. These are cancel out. This is mass 5, 5b. So d is mass 1. A10 is a plus 19. In this a is, we find a, put the value of b in this equation. A mass 1, so a is 17. This is 17 plus 9 into mass 1. So this is equals to 8. So 8 is the 10th term of this AP. In the next question, the statement is in question number 5th, the statement is b is equal to 5, S9 equals to 75. We are required to find A and A9. So in this S9 is 9 upon 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 into B. So S9 is 75, 9 upon 2, 2A plus B is 5. So this is 75 into 2 by 9, 2A plus 40. 3, this is 25. So 50 upon 3 means 40 equals to 2A. 50 means 120 upon 3 equal to 2A. So this is 70 upon 3 equal to 2A. This cancel out. So A is means 35 upon 3 and A9 is A plus 8B. A is 35 upon 3. Value of B is 5. This is 35. When we take LCM, 120 upon 3. So this is 85 upon 3. This is the 9th term of this AP. In 6th question, the statement is A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. We are going to find A, N and An. So Sn is N upon 2. Here N is N upon 2. A is 2. N minus 1. D is 8. So this is 90. N upon 2. 4 plus 8 n minus 8. This is 180 n. 8 n minus 4. So this question is 180 equals to 8 n square minus 4 n. So 8 n square minus 4 n minus 180 equals to 0. When we divide this equation by 4, this is 45 and factorize this. This is 90. So this is 9n. Nn plus 9n minus 45. When we take 2n common, n minus 10, 9 common. When we take 2 common, n minus 5. This is n minus 5. So n minus 5, 2n plus 9. But n cannot be in fraction. So n is equal to 5. The value of n is equal to 5 and an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 5, value of a is 2, n is 5 and d is 8. So this is 2 plus 4 is the 32, 34. So the fifth term of this AP is 32. Thanks.